nice out here. I'm going to show you how close we are to the beach there, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's April 25th, 2016. This is that's Atlantic Beach that way. Look, Atlantic Beach. You might see a pier down there. I'm zoomed in to the max right here. But yeah, check it out. Oh shit. Hey. And that way, folks, is Emerald Isle. Won't be long. Sun going down. This is a house we're working on here. Stop walking around. I need to zoom this thing. Whoa. Not that way. Hey, this way. Alrighty. There's a brand new home there, I think. It sure looks brand new. It's huge. It's a monster. Daggone, look at all the glass doors on that house. But anyway, this is a very nice day out here. If I had my shorts and a towel, I'd be in that water right now. But I'm wearing blue jeans today. But I'll give you a little first quick movie here on a couple mini split heat pumps we just put in today. They're not started yet, but we got the two air handlers hung on a wall, like a big sunroom there, up there on that deck up there. We got two mini splits here, and obviously this is called sand. These units are not even turned on. They're not wired up yet. Do that tomorrow. But got a few repairs going on here. It's a buddy of ours, general contractor. This is what we put in today. You can see we got a new box there. Freon is vacuumed and opened up. Freon's ready. See that PVC is going to come down in the ground, route it somewhere. But I just swept up. It was a little bit ugly here a few minutes ago. A lot of tools, garbage, stuff like that. But we have copper lines. One of them turns up about there. Another one comes up and it goes up about there. PVC comes down also. Okay, we talked about an access door here for PVC in this area, because I put a T with a threaded cap for clean out, but it's not necessary. It was just a why not thing. But with that coming down the wall, and we're talking about a metal cover cap covering that eyesore. But yeah, it's the bomb here, ain't it? It's the bomb. Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. And I'm ready to go home. But look, see that unit there on the left? It's so efficient. It doesn't need electricity. It's running all by itself. Now, you see these coils here? Alrighty. Now, there was a GMC heat pump here for quite a while, and we needed a shovel to remove that thing. The bottom was so eat up. But here we got a couple more. I don't know. You can see in there. It's in there. Yeah, this side's not. Yeah, right there. See, the coil just shot. Not sure. Oh, okay, looky here. Yay! See what we can do here. Look, see. Just look, typical oceanside conditions. Nothing you can do about it. Look at that. My God, see? Believe it or not, look. This thing still works too. It was just running a little while ago. But a few years ago, I did wash these out. I did try to maintain them, but it just ain't getting it. Just ain't getting it. So, it's life is a beach, man. Life is a beach. That's a old drain pan. Somebody's copper there. If they don't get that copper, I might get it. This unit's not bad. Yeah, it's getting white and scaly, but it's not hollow yet. Okay. Yep, there's a little bit in there on that one there. It won't be long for these, but daggone. So, pretty amazing here. Look, daggone, boys. So, this is where I've been preaching for many years. Salt never sleeps. Mother Nature never takes a break. Nature doesn't take break times the way we do. But anyway, it's a typical one of those. Anyway, but this is what I wanted to just get. Brand new. Look, let me spit shine this here. Say, look, I gotta spit shine it there a little bit. Get it on document, video. Copper's good to go. Looking clean, but look, brand new. So in about 2 or 3 years, I will present this video to the owners. Yeah, once upon a time they were brand new, but anyway, a couple electrical whips and they're good to go. They're ready to fire it up. Besides putting batteries in the remote controllers up there in the sunroom. But anyway, they're going to love it. They will definitely chill. Okay, peace. Have a good day.